You want to start an online business, but every platform charges you before you even make a sale, right? What if you could build your entire store from installation to your first sale without spending a single dollar? Today, I'll show you how you can launch your online business for free in WordPress. And to make it happen, I'm using Fluent Cart, a super fast, lightweight e-commerce plugin that lets you sell physical products, digital products, and anything you want. So follow me along, and by the end of this video, you'll have a fully functional store ready to make your first sale. Here is my WordPress dashboard, which is completely blank at the moment. But trust me, that's about to change. Alright, so the first step is to install Fluent Cart, and the process is very straightforward. I'll open the plugin and search for Fluent Cart. And here it is. Let's install it, activate it, and we're officially on our way to building your free online business. Okay, so the setup wizard makes the onboarding process seamless. So where is your store located? What's your shop name? What currency will you use? You have to provide the details one by one. Now you can upload a logo to establish your brand identity right from the start. So continue, and now Fluent Cart is asking to set up your store page. Instead of choosing those manually, click on the magic button, and Fluent Cart creates the checkout, shop, account, and more in seconds. So before finishing, you can choose whether you want a sample product or a blank start. Let's go with Scratch so you can see exactly how everything works. And the congratulatory message says it all. The onboarding is complete. Now, before making the first sale, you need 3 things: a product, a payment method, and a shipping zone where you'll deliver the product. Alright, let's start by creating our very first product. Once you hit the Add Product, you can choose between a physical and a digital product. So since we're selling perfumes today, I'm choosing the physical and naming it Luxury Essence Perfume. There you have the short description that tells them the main idea and a longer description for anyone who wants the full details. Alright, so next, upload an image so the product looks great in your store. And if you want to stay organized, you can add categories and brands right here. Alright, so these are set. Now, let's set up the price and variations. If you're selling a single, unique product, simple works great. But perfumes usually have different scents, so let's change it to simple variations. Now, you can add and personalize each variation according to your preference. And the pencil icon is always ready for that. Let's say you want to sell it in 50 and 100 ml packages. So you can change the variation to Luxury Essence Perfume 50 ml Saver Pack. Then set a selling price with a comparable price to highlight the deal. You can even define the cost per item and let Fluent Cart do the calculation for you. Alright, I'll just upload a variation-specific image and done. I'll repeat the process and add another variation, but in the meantime, go ahead and subscribe to WPManageNinja channel so that you don't miss any tech-savvy updates from us. Well, the product is good to go. I'll just change its status from draft to publish and pick a variant to showcase in the front end. And done. Next up, payments. Head to settings, then open the payment settings. So you've got multiple ways to take payments. If you want the simplest possible method, go for cash on delivery. But let's set up Stripe since it's the most popular. So open the test credentials section and select Connect with Stripe. That redirects me to the Stripe connection page. Choose Skip this form and Stripe instantly connects in test mode. So payments are ready. Last but not least, shipping. So it determines where you deliver and what customers pay. The button to add a new zone is here. Let's name the zone as Local Shipping, pick the country United States of America, and save. So right away you can add shipping methods. So let's add one. Name it as standard delivery. And if you want the method to be applied all over the nation, you can keep it blank. Otherwise, you can pick any state you want. It's up to you. All right, so the rest of the configuration is pretty self-explanatory here. So let me deal with them real quick. All right, the shipping is in place. With that, product, payments, and shipping are all in place. It's time to see, can I sell my products? Let's test the full buying process. Whenever a customer lands on my shop, they can choose between the variants they want to purchase. And when they move on to checkout, they can complete the process without facing any issue. And to be honest, 3 times faster than any other store out there. So after completing the order, they can download the invoice as well. Back in your dashboard, the order appears in Fluent Cart's dedicated order section, so you can track and manage everything. And there you have it. From nothing to a working store and your first sale. That's a big deal, and it's exactly what Fluent Cart is designed for, removing the friction that keeps creators from launching. If you want more advanced features, more integrations, and more way to optimize your store, Fluent Cart Pro is the upgrade path. The hard part is done. Now it's time to grow. Grab Fluent Cart today.